So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very special guest with us today. Her name is Prachi Kode and she is 36 and she is from Pune. And we have Coach Sulagna, who was working with Prachi for her health issues. Before coming to this meeting, I was informed that Prachi was having gas issues from more than 20 years, right? Acidity and acid reflux from 2-3 years, hair fall consistently from 2 to 3 years, heel pain for more than 5 years, right? And then leg cramps for 20 plus years, and then water retention for 2-3 years. Water retention means something is wrong in kidney, right? Pain in body, pricking pain anywhere from 20 years, insomnia 5 years, knee pain 5 to 6 months, chronic diarrhea from 20 plus years, numbness from 2 to 3 years, and she was always low of energy and feeling tired, and she was always having eye floaters. All the diseases has been reversed, but eye floaters is still 40-50% improvement is there, right? So I'll come directly to you, Prachi. How has been your experience, and then I'll come to the angel coach, Sulagna. So Prachi, over to you. If you could please unmute yourself and share your experience.
Yeah, so I came to know about Go Nature from my sister. My sister is doing MD for Ayurveda, and she had to complete because of certification, and that's why she joined the free course. She saw your ad on YouTube, and after she saw, she liked it, so she bought the silver one. And along with her, I was also seeing. So I implemented your leaving MRP, EMF, earthing, and all those things. I started implementing, and I started feeling nice. So later on, I joined the gold membership. So my problems are like reduced a lot, and I was just worried about my diarrhea because it was many years, more than 20 years. So from last say 40 days or something, I'm not having any pain or any diarrhea.
Wow.
So it was a big win for me. I had gone to many doctors before, but I didn't have any motivation for taking medicines also because it was not affecting in any way.
I can understand. So like you took medicine for a lot of time, it was not giving any results. So finally
So
you
I
gave up
just
with
left
medication.
it like that. I didn't take any medicines since last 5 years also.
That's really amazing.
Yeah,
So if I say yes, please continue.
Yeah, and I had problems for eating raw food also, but now I can eat raw food also. I don't have any issues.
Amazing. So that's a really amazing journey, Prachi. So Prachi, if I say, improvement in percentage, how much percentage you would say that all the problems put together, and let's say a combined improvement in 3 months, how much percentage you will say?
It is like more than 95%, 95.
Amazing. So thank you so much, Prachi, and so glad that you took this plan and then you understood and you work with Sulagna. So how has been your journey with Sulagna?
Yeah, so it was a very nice. We also met at Disha Yoga Center. So we met face to face. I felt very nice meeting her. And she also works in software. So, and I also worked in software. So we both are like, we can connect with each other. And hers is morning time and mine is night, like evening shift. So we mostly contacted by WhatsApp. So whenever she got time, she used to answer my questions. And whenever I got question, I used to post my questions. So whatever silly questions were there, she answered all my questions. So
I think this is a universal connection because Sulagna today she is working with Go Nature and she has helped hundreds of students to come out of their health issues. But when I look at your health issues, some health issues, Sulagna was also having same health issues, and you also in software. She was also in software. You met at one place also. So I think this is a very much universal connection, right? We can say that. Amazing. Okay, so thank you, Prachi, for giving insights on your journey. I'll come to Sulagna. Sulagna, how has been your journey with Prachi? So let me unmute you. Yeah, please, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. A very good evening, and thank you, Vishal. And Prachi is about Prachi. She is very quiet and introvert like me. And when I got her big list of diseases. She was also suffering from, the diarrhea, chronic diarrhea since last 20 years. And she was also, the major top challenges were like this stomach issues, body ache, and then I think, what is that? The
Acid
digestion
reflux,
issues and
digestion
water
issues,
retention.
water
Water
retention.
retention was major, and she was also having pain, swelling in fingers, and all this. But working with her in, I think, 1 month, she started seeing the improvement. And after that, I think she started her journey, and she healed her. And now very less percentage of eye floaters are there. Other than that, almost all the problems had gone. And coming
All,
to her personal life, she's also a software developer, and she's also learning instrumental flute, and she's learning guitar from YouTube. And she has some dreams like YouTube. She will be opening her own channel on this miniature cooking classes. And she's also a Isha meditator. So we met when I was when I was checking out, she was checking into Isha Coimbatore, so we met there. And my connection started from there, and we started a deeper level of connection, because we also talk about meditation and the soul connection and all these things. And yeah, and coming to means natural healing part, her sister is a Ayurveda doctor. And she is also inspired by her not to take any the medicines and all that. She was taking medicines since last 4-5 years before COVID. But then because she did not see any improvement in eating medicines, and the medicines were not giving any effects on her body, so she stopped eating all the medicines from there, and she was living with her pain. And she was like very low in, when I had a one-to-one counseling with her, she was also low in confidence and all that, she told me. And but then after that she improved a lot. And I see whenever I talk to her, she's like always charged, and she always shares, and we are like friends also. And then it's good that Prachi, you have faith in naturopathy. And you know your success is like my success, because you too have your dedication. Like whatever diet I give her, she used to follow 100%. And if like, it's not we coaches that we will be giving the diet, and the clients will not follow the diet, then they will not come out of their diseases. If they also give their 100% dedication, we are also giving our 100% dedication, then only someone will be able to come out of their disease 100%. She also had faith on me, she surrendered fully, and then we see the results today. So it's a wonderful journey with her. And I got to know about her. And thank you so much, Vishal, for giving this opportunity. And thank you so much, Prachi. And wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
amazing. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Prachi. More power to you. Long way to go. You have to live this beautiful life for 150 years without diseases, drugs, and diagnosis, right? Great. So amazing. So everybody, please type MPTY for Prachi and MPTY for Sulagna.